Hello everyone, welcome to Dublin on this overcast, dreary day. Yesterday we had Storm Eunice, which really didn't affect us much, which is very odd, but there you go. Today I'm going to do the woodworking equivalent of one of those mystery unboxing videos. Excuse the wind here because it's a bit windy outside. There's a local timber merchant near me who sells big bundles of hardwood, offcuts, for €30 a go, and I want to see what's in there. Okay, so what you get for your bundle, which is €30 planed, or you can say €5 going unplaned, is potentially some white oak, ash, sapele, mahogany, iroko, teak, walnut, steamed beech, poplar, or cherry. So let's see what we're getting out of the bundle here. There's no guarantee you'll get all these, but you'll get some of them. Put this off. Straight up, it's a nice piece of oak, not all planed. The faces are planed. It's quite nice. That's 6x1. Poplar, bit of a nasty knot, but you know, not too fussed. Walnut, so that's beech, steamed beech. Not oak. There we go, ash for that one. Well, that there is definitely teak. Actually, that might be mahogany. Oh, yeah, it's mahogany. That's teak. Steamed beech. Ooh, this is a nice piece. That's oak. You can always tell it's oak because no matter how much you sand it down, you'll still feel the grain. Doesn't matter how fine a grit you use, you'll always feel the grain. That's bigger than that. It looks like 7x1. There's an 8x1. No, it's a nice piece of oak. Good for building boxes and stuff. Nice bit of walnut, mahogany, oak. Not too sure about this one. That is probably poplar, but it's not very well planed, as you can see. Teak. Teak. I'm going to say that's teak as well. I'm not quite sure, but I'll probably double check this later. But that would be nice for turning. Oak. Teak. Walnut. We'll go teak on that as well. That's oak. Feels more like softwood. I'm assuming it's poplar, walnut, teak, mahogany, and another bit of oak. So all in all, not a bad little bundle, is it? I'm particularly impressed with these pieces here. You can do a lot with that now. Price wise, what is it saving you money? I don't know. The problem with this is you have to find a project that fits it. Now I can see plenty of projects to use this wood for. Like, you could do a lot of turning. You could make pens out of this, or glue it together and make vases or bowls. These pieces are nice for building boxes, maybe a jewellery box or a trinket box, something like that. So all in all, no, not bad. You can also build a lot of chopping boards as well. Notice in terms of thickness, it's fairly uniform. Yeah, they're all roughly an inch. Yeah, those are the same. Let's see that one. Yes, the same. As you can see, it's not being jointed. It's not perfectly parallel. There's a bit of a curve in this one. This one's actually a bit damaged there. but not too fussed about that. You cut that off anyway. Now this oak, the 6x1, that retails for €57 for a 240mm length. Now this is 240 centimetre length. This is 60 centimetres long. I measured the bundle, everything's 60 centimetres long thereabouts. So this would be €57 for a piece, four times as long. So when you think about it, financially it's not bad, and I'm sure the mahogany and the walnut is also pricey. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this. Well, I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with it, but there you go. If you want to get cheap lumber, timber, whatever you call it, in a world where the price is constantly going up, then go and see if your local timber merchant does a similar sort of offcut bundle. Thank you. Bye bye.